Hello! Welcome back to ESL Universe. Today we are going to be discussing the short I sound. The short I sound, or I, is a neutral sound, so we use it a lot in unstressed syllables in English. The short I sound is often confused with the short E sound, so it's really important for us to practice these individually so that we can hear the difference. Just so that you can hear them beside each other and start to notice the subtle differences, the short I sound is I, and the short E sound is eh. Similar, but there is a difference. So make sure that you practice these individually until you feel you can get it right. Because the short E and the short I sound are so similar, it's particularly important to pay attention to our mouth position. So, what is the mouth position for the short I sound? Let's take a look. To make the short I sound, you need to keep your tongue and your jaw relaxed, just like for the short E sound. However, your mouth just moves directly down. Don't move your lips in like for the O sound or out like for the E sound. Keep your tongue high in the middle and back. However, at the front, let it drop down and touch along the back of your bottom teeth. Like this. I. I. Great job. You will notice that if the short I sound is being stressed, you will drop your jaw a little bit more and the sound will be more pronounced. However, if the I is in an unstressed syllable, you don't drop your jaw as much, creating a softer, more subtle sound. This is normal because when we have an unstressed syllable, we say it for a shorter period of time and therefore have less time to move our mouth around. Let's practice together. I. I. Can you see how by just gently dropping down your jaw, this sound is a fairly neutral and natural one to make? I. I. Excellent work. Let's choose a keyword for reference, just like we did with the short E sound. The keyword that we're going to use for the short I sound is itch. Itch. I. I. If you can hear that sound, that is the correct way to make the short I sound. So what kind of spelling do we expect to see with the short I sound? Just like with the other short vowel sounds, we expect to see a consonant-vowel-consonant structure. However, the short I sound can be spelled with the I or the letter Y. So we need to watch for both of those. As always, there are exceptions to the rule, and these simply need to be memorized. Some examples are words like busy, building, and give. It's time for some practice. It's. If. In. Igloo. India. Inside. Insect. Iguana. Ink. Inch. Itchy. Sit. With. Miss. Big. Lip. pin, sing, pick, win, hid. Notice that just like with the other short vowel sounds, we do not expect to see the short I sound at the end of any words. Make sure that you practice the short I sound a lot, and as you get more confident, start to put it next to the short E sound as well to differentiate between the two. I recommend watching this video at least 3 times over the next week or two to really solidify this sound for yourself. As always, keep reading and listening to English, as it will help you with your comprehension skills as well as your vocabulary. Until next time.